Hi, I'm Tony Bancroft, Portfolio Manager for the Gabelli Commercial Aerospace and Defense ETF. On Friday, Boeing confirmed it is in talks to acquire Spirit Aerosystems. Overall, we believe this acquisition would make sense and should benefit Boeing in the long term with opportunities in strategies and synergies. But there is no silver bullet, and we see integration issues and execution risk in the near term. There are some synergies in operations, as we believe under one company, Boeing can better address recent quality issues and lapses in manufacturing, which they have been struggling with, particularly related to rework issues from the Wichita plant. There is something to be said about streamlining and integrating operations. Furthermore, common training and culture are better developed under one company. The debt component will also be an issue. Although we believe it is unlikely there would be an equity issuance, it is not off the table. Boeing has a large backlog in inventory, but higher interest costs could weigh on its $10 billion free cash flow objective. At the end of last year, Boeing had $16 billion of cash in marketable securities, and just last month it paid down $4.5 billion in debt. With an acquisition, net debt would likely not change much. Regarding regulatory risk and antitrust, we don't think it is likely, as 80% of Spirit sales pre-pandemic are to Boeing, and Boeing had previously owned Spirit. We believe it is also telling that the news came after Boeing met with the FAA Administrator Whitaker, who alluded to the fact that a critical part of the 737 is made by Spirit and Boeing owns the whole process no matter where it is. We also don't think it's likely that Airbus would want to buy Spirit, mostly because it would put Boeing in a better spot over Airbus if it were a major supplier to Boeing. After the MOA was signed, Boeing let go of a lot of claims against Spirit and gave them financial resources as they weren't investing in safety and the rate ramp. Boeing would likely not do the same if Airbus were the owner. Overall, we view this transaction as favorable in the long term, as Boeing would be better able to control its manufacturing process to its most important line of business, the 737.